What it do?
It's your girl Ed.
It's your boy Drew.
We are back with another
banging ass reaction. Y'all know how we do when we come down ripping that H-Time. Know what I'm talking about?
Straight up.
Real talk.
Alright, so we got Pretty Boy Fredo. He got arrested. So I bought him a new car and his CEO Mikey. What my boy get arrested for, bro? What happened? What happened? What y'all do to him? Cause y'all know he don't be doing bad stuff. Y'all bad influences. No, I'm just playing. But we gonna react to it. What?
It could be his attitude, because they all crazy though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
be spazzing out.
Just wild. But we're going to react to it. Before we do that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
That's very important.
Tap that notification bell, send everybody our way.
Tell them we the next up, because we the best
and
up.
that's on END Gang.
And no big facts.
And thank y'all so much for getting us over 800 subs, y'all. We so close to 1K.
Real talk.
We doing a giveaway. I'm not telling y'all what it's going to be, but y'all gonna like it. We doing a giveaway when we hit 1K, y'all. We are almost even to our watch hours, y'all. We appreciate the love y'all showing. Keep on showing it, y'all. But let's go ahead and get into it.
Reason we pulled you over, we got a call about drug activity.
Nah, ain't no drug activity.
You got any drugs in the car, sir?
We're gonna bring the K9 out.
We'll call for the unit.
Hold on. Wait, K9?
Yeah. If you don't have any drugs,
He got the drugs. He just sold some drugs.
I can give y'all the drugs, everything. Come on.
he's like, hold on, the K9s?
Bro.
He got the drugs. I can give y'all the plug and everything. I know El Chapo, all of them. I know where he hide it in the tunnels and everything.
I like that haircut.
Yeah, squad business.
I like it. It looks good. Okay.
No, stop.
Hey, what's him? All the drugs are in the trunk, so what's him?
Today, y'all, Mikey is about to get punched. So I feel like it is way overdue for me to punish Mikey. He's been a great addition to SSH, has done some great videos, but he also has some pretty bad and crazy moments, y'all. Probably not the most liked member in SSH, but he has earned his stripes. And I feel like today I want to surprise Mikey with something dope, something special. But before I do that, I gotta make a quick couple stops. Today, y'all, I'm a drug dealer. That's right. I'm probably gonna be one of the few people in this world that's gonna sell some drugs in a Lamborghini. These are not actual drugs.
He is a mess. Oh, people don't sell drugs in a Lamborghini, right?
I don't know. You can sell. Hey, look. I
He don't. Plead the fifth, babe. Plead the fifth. Mouth sealed. You don't know nothing. Me no speak the English.
talk to my lawyer.
No face, no case.
But today I'm gonna prank Mikey into thinking that I'm not selling drugs. You know, there's some consequences for selling drugs, and I got them for Mike. I might as well call this the 6'9" prank, cause I'm the snitch on Mikey. Basically, I'm gonna be 6'9" today. What would 6'9" do? Snitch. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I haven't done a great prank in a long time, so I know he's not expecting this. This is gonna be amazing, y'all. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we pulling up on Mikey right now. Let's make this epic. Alright, go, Mikey. Yeah!
Hold on, y'all saw that one time when 6ix9ine was live with Academics and Fredo was in the comments and he was like, do we have this watch? Do we have this watch? Like, nigga, he probably do have it. He probably can buy it. Like, 6ix9ine be trying to count. Like,
Stop calling me fat, I'm not fat.
that was an E behind
You so
his
fat.
I'm not. No, what are you talking about?
You're literally fat.
No, I'm not. You know I'm not fat.
Yes, you are.
You know how I feel about that.
You are in competition with Keith for being a
On my life. No, I'm on my life.
Yes, you are.
Oh, cat, bro. I got this bitch. I'm already in a badass neighborhood, bro.
I gotta make a couple moves in the hood, you know.
Nigga, there should be no reason niggas like you should be in the hood, bro.
What you mean, nigga? I'm from the hood.
I do rather you made it out the hood.
Nigga, that's how I've been out the hood than me.
I just don't feel a couple colors.
He's like, whoa.
He's talking like, hold on, good, what? Man, you tripping, man.
Don't pull out the 9.
I know, right?
Nah, man, I don't try to weed shit, cuz. What? What?
I don't even think you serious, though. Don't even say that.
Nigga, I'm from the hood.
Bro, you are the whitest black nigga I know.
Yeah. You are the
Hey,
whitest black nigga.
I know. Hey, sometimes it is what it is, man. You, hey,
Mikey's stupid.
just
bruh.
be yourself.
You ain't been to Florida in a minute now. You don't know how I work out here in Florida, nigga. I run this shit, bro. Like, nigga, run what? I run Florida, nigga. Nigga, you barely in your own house, nigga. Ain't
No cap.
Look, bro, don't disrespect me, my nigga. You in my city, my nigga. This my hood right here. I got a nigga couple stops in the hood, nigga. I still feed the streets, bro. Who the fuck you think you ain't, little baby?
Boy, you doing too much. He said, "Who the fuck you think you is, little baby?"
Real talk.
Bruh.
Real.
You think you're the streets or something? Nigga, I'm afraid of it, nigga. Fredo. You're not yet. Yeah, Alfredo. You're not Fredo Santana, you're Alfredo. You nigga with a butterfly tattoo. Don't worry about that. You do YouTube. You're a content creator. I'm in the show. Nigga, I got moves. I do moves. My nigga, that you don't know about, bro. For real. Y'all niggas think this YouTube shit, I think this shit just a game, my nigga. I'm not just a YouTuber, my nigga. Like, when it comes to it, nigga, I'm doing shit. Bro, I'm really feeding the streets, my nigga. Bro. For real. Bro, when you die, you know what was at your funeral? You was a good guy with a good heart.
That boy going in.
He can't even take himself serious because Mikey making it like
he going in.
Mikey is on his road.
110, he going in.
This is why I like him.
That's what they're gonna say at your funeral, dog. They're not gonna say, oh, you really out here in the street slinging, nigga. No, they're gonna say he's a good guy and a good father. Nigga, look. Times has changed, my nigga. A lot of has changed, bro. You don't even jaywalk. Bro. You don't even jaywalk. A lot of has changed, bro. Like what? Testing my gangster, my nigga. You really testing my gangster. You a type of nigga, you like 6'9", my nigga. Don't talk to me, my nigga, you a 6'9" fan. Don't talk to me, you a 6'9" fan. Exactly. So shut the fuck up, nigga. You don't know nothing about the hood. You don't know about them niggas, bro. You don't know I really wrong with them niggas, bro. Really? Malik, that's
Look,
He said Malik.
I'm dead, man, because like he just going in, like, and he can't even take his own self serious, like, you know what I'm saying? He's like, you a YouTuber, you know? And you know what's crazy though? Some people think YouTubers, like, they think all YouTubers are just lame and friendly and all that, and ain't, you know what I'm saying? Don't get stuff twisted, because some of us really about that. Real talk.
Just saying. Beat the kid up.
Malik, the 40-pound nigga, look at that 40 pound. That nigga, he be talking shit. Stop playing. See, that's the thing about you 6'9" fans, bro. Y'all niggas don't really know about shit. You don't know about shit, nigga. Bro, your favorite artist ain't the damn black. Like, come on. Nigga, I don't listen to Cardi no more. Yes, you don't. God don't. Nigga. Only stop listening to niggas Lil Baby, bro. It's Lil Baby, bro. Who's Shiesty, Lil Durk, Chief Keef, Ritzy, all of them niggas. Name 3 Lil B songs right now. What? Name 3 Lil B songs right now. Lil Durk.
He not letting up on you, bruh. Like you was supposed to do your homework first.
Yeah, you supposed to. Yeah, that way.
Mikey, cause
he came with some questions like that, you would be on top of your game. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay 2 steps ahead of the game. You feel me?
That boy say he don't listen to Cardi no more. Yes, you do.
You tell my vibes, nigga. Shiesty, that's my dog. So please, you know I'm really Shiesty. I don't funny shit. I don't feel comfortable around here, bro. You're a soft ass nigga, man. No, nigga, why would we like introduce danger? Like, who goes out looking for danger? It's a bad nigga. Shut the fuck up, my nigga. I got a little job to do. Nigga, what if ain't shit here but the church? Shut the fuck up, my nigga. Shut up. Stop being a nigga, I'm not being a shit is wet right now. Shut the fuck up. Yo, what? Shut up. Nigga, shut up. Come on, I don't feel comfortable like that. Shut up. Shut up. No, I gotta do something right quick. Well, come over. Get that. What you got here, man? Shit, I got the paint. You know what I'm saying? I got the brownie. The new shit, this shit here. Brownie? Yeah, I got the Mickey Mouse. I got this brownie. I got the Mickey Mouse.
Did he say paint at first?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't smoking.
He's like, he got the Mickey Mouse, he got the brownie. He's like, that shit hit.
That sound like Gorilla Glue.
Like, nigga, what's going on? What you got going on? I don't know.
I don't want it.
Gelato Skittles. I got some shit deaf. Like, you hit that shit. Yeah. You won't go deaf. Yeah. You can't hear shit. And also, I got the 6'9" pack. Stinky. So which one? Alright, you keep that Rat Pack, but let me get 2 of them Disneys. 2 of them Disneys. And then one of the brownie. Yeah, let me try that.
Yo, what is that? It's a Disney. Smell it. Open it up. Let me get one more. What is that? Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Disney. The brownie shit. Little brownie.
Why
He looking
did
like-
he flip it like that?
He looking like, but you see, he looking like.
What is this? Like, get me out of here. And it's daylight.
Yeah, that's what he looking.
Yeah, it's that gas right there, man.
Go ahead, slide me the money.
How much over?
It's what? 88.
The schedule. I got you. What's in there?
Hey, if you need some more, I got some more spit.
Alright.
For real, you need anything? I'm back in the streets now. Let them know. Not Alfredo. Don't say Alfredo. They ain't gonna take you serious. Fredo.
Big Fredo.
Big Fredos.
Alright. I'm gonna try that death next time, you know? Alright. Jump the voice.
Nigga, what the was that, bro? What, nigga?
Nigga, did you just go drugs in front of my eyes?
In front of my eyes.
In front of my eyes.
Yes, in front of your eyes, Mikey.
Can you please tell me what was that I just witnessed with my own?
But you supposed to act like you didn't see it.
Yeah,
So technically,
yeah, you
no, he didn't.
Yeah, you supposed to go Ray Charles to it. Like, you don't know what's going on. You feel me?
What's all back in the nigga selling drugs in front of my eyes? What are you selling drugs for? Nigga, look. If you couldn't handle this, my nigga, I told you I had some shit to do in the. You didn't tell me you had to sell drugs, my nigga? Yes. What the licky pack? Some good shit. What the? Some good shit?
Yo, you're tripping, bro. I think that's the fucking cops.
What?
No, it's not. They don't make it obvious, you idiot.
What are you doing? Let's stop.
I'm finna take off.
Go stop the call? No, nigga. What the fuck? A black nigga stop the call?
Hey, yo, remind them. Hey, look.
We're black.
We're black. Look, so either way it go, we just messed over with period. So
Don't even act like.
Yeah, don't even add more charges on this one charge that they might charge us with, which may be 2.
Your charge, not my charge.
Which may be 2 on top of 2, but let's just hope and pray for the best.
It's for you, not for me.
Oh, shit. What did you do? I didn't do shit. All I did was change lanes, bro. I didn't do anything.
I'm not going to jail, bro. Right now, I'm not going to jail,
chill, bro. Chill.
What did you just do?
I didn't do anything.
Nigga, they pulled you over for.
Okay, but I didn't do anything.
Nigga, I'm not going to jail. I ain't do nothing wrong with you.
Why is he taking his seatbelt off? You can't run.
How you doing, officer?
Hey, how you doing? License and registration. Can you roll out and patch the window, please?
Yeah, no problem.
Where you gentlemen headed to?
We just doing a little task, nothing crazy. Just riding around.
Alright, do us a favor, hang tight.
Alright.
Man, I can deal with that, bro. I'm not going to jail for you.
No, you have to be down with me.
Huh?
You're in the car with me, nigga.
Look at his face. He say, huh?
Alright. I mean, you are with him, but look, check this out. In situations like this when you see who a real nigga and who ain't and who a hoe nigga. You feel me? Yeah. Is you gonna let me take this charge for you, or you just gonna just say it's yours and I'ma just put money on your books and I'ma bun you out? Mm-hmm. So what it's gonna be?
Nope.
Real talk. Officer, it was all her. It was her idea. I did not have anything to do with this. Hey.
Why you gotta mess up my record?
But no, this is what I'm saying. I'm saying if it's yours, would you say that it's yours, or would you let me take the charge?
If it's mine, it's mine.
Because if it's mine, I'm gonna take my charge and not make you take the charge.
Right, that's stupid.
You feel me?
Yeah.
I'm not, no. I thought we was going to Target or some shit, bro. I didn't know you was going to go do it. Wait, you really gonna switch up on me? Nigga, I'm not switching up shit, nigga. This is your problem, nigga. I ain't do shit.
How? Nigga, you're in the car with me. It's our problem. It's our problem.
I'm 19 years old. I gotta clean up. Alright, here you go, sir.
Thank you, man.
The reason we pulled you over, we got a call about some hand-to-hand transactions.
What you mean?
Some possibly drug activity.
Nah, ain't no drug activity.
You got any drugs in the car?
What idiot is gonna tell you that they have drugs in the car? I don't have drugs in the car.
So
No.
So are you answering our question that no, you don't have drugs?
I'm not answering. No.
But you just say you don't have drugs in the car. So
I don't have drugs in the car. I don't have drugs in the car.
Okay, so listen, sir. So what we're gonna do at this time?
Listen, I'm not saying shit. I'm not talking.
That's fine. So
I'm saying my lawyer.
This is what I'm gonna tell you.
I need a lawyer. I need a lawyer.
What? Well, wait, Fredo.
He said, "Hey,
you already need your lawyer already. God dang.
He's saying
you
he
ain't
need
even
a
got
lawyer.
out yet.
He's saying he need a lawyer. That's what he's saying.
Did they get license and registration? They got license and registration, right?
Yeah. They already gave him that. Yeah.
He said he need his lawyer.
I need my lawyer to talk to me. I need my lawyer to talk to me. I need my lawyer to talk to me.
And then we'll go ahead and go from there.
What?
We're gonna bring the K9 out.
We'll call for the unit. Hold on. Wait, K9?
Yeah. If you don't have any drugs,
He got the drugs. What? What?
So now you're telling me that
He just sold some drugs. No, I don't. No, I don't. He just sold. No, I don't. No, I don't. He just sold. No, I didn't. He just sold drugs.
You got a description of this
Oh, I would have punched out on Fredo head. What?
I ain't gonna lie, we would have just started scribbling right in there. Hey.
Now we really finna get beat by the baton.
Exactly, but that crazy
Pepper
though.
spray, mace, zip ties.
I hope y'all paying attention. Look, if you ever put yourself in a situation when you know your friends be doing some illegal activities and you choose to hang around them and be around them, and then when stuff pop off,
you might as well take the case.
You might as well take the case.
Take it too.
Know what I'm saying? Because you signed up for it.
Yep.
It was this car and it was him. No, it wasn't. It was him. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. I told him not to. No.
Sir.
Man, he has drugs in the trunk. What the? More in the trunk. It was him. No, it was him. No, it was him. Officer, it was him. It was him. We need to think about the car. It was him. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. I didn't do nothing. No, it wasn't. It wasn't me.
I ask you to step out of the car.
Thank you.
You're being too aggressive. We have to find out about this situation. So I just need you to step out of the car.
Man, he's a drug. He sells drugs. He sells drugs. Man, it's not me.
Sir?
It's not me. It's not me. I'm in the passenger seat. I'm in the passenger.
You're looking.
You think I can run on my name? It's not me. I don't even live here.
I would have put the same thing. I don't even live here. What street is this?
He is
I'm
spazzing.
from up north.
He is spazzing out. He better be lucky they ain't reached through the car. And if this was a real situation, you lucky they ain't man.
They would have pepper sprayed him right there.
What?
He sells drugs. No, I can give y'all the plug, everything. Come on, no, sir. You are. I put a gun a little bit. It was him. All the drugs are in the trunk. It was him. It's not my drugs. It's not my drugs. It's not my drugs.
Look at the people riding by.
It's not my. Anything you guys need, I got you guys. You been honestly
You is he about to cut you out.
He's spazzing out. He don't care.
All types of B's, H's,
he don't
B's,
care.
A's.
You know he pissed off and for real.
F, G, elemental P.
Them the type of people, they don't care if they in front of a judge, president, nothing. They gonna let you have it. They don't care, man.
Mikey tall as hell.
I don't want to be something. Anything you say, Candy, will be here. Okay. Come on, I'm claustrophobic, bro. Come on, bro. I didn't do nothing, man. They were leaving, bro. Man, I can't. Can you let me go, man? I didn't even do nothing.
Definitely not gonna be able to let you go.
Come on.
Now you're gonna be a grown crybaby.
I don't care because it wasn't me.
Grown crybaby.
It wasn't me.
You committed the crime, and now
I did not commit no crime. It was not me. I didn't commit no crime.
I did not commit no crime. It wasn't me. I swear to God, man.
I ain't here.
I swear to God.
You wanna cry? Okay, so listen. Unfortunately, due to new COVID rules, I'm gonna have to put this over you. I need to cover your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. You're out here already selling drugs, and you might as well go ahead and get this over with.
Oh, man.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't come to my state selling no drugs and think I ain't gonna take you.
Since when do they do all that?
This shit
They do not.
She just wrap a bandana around this
And
boy.
he just gonna let her do it. Just ain't gonna say nothing. I'll be screaming, hollering, yelling. You gonna suffocate me?
At this point, you ain't about to put nothing over my face.
Oh no.
Real talk.
You trying to kill him?
Come on. I got you. Come on, let's get out.
I did not sell drugs.
Sir, listen. You're selling drugs and you're going to jail. 2 days.
I'm going to jail.
Oh! He got my car.
Wow.
Oh, he bought Mikey a Tesla. Oh my gosh. This why I'm telling y'all, Fredo is my
Yeah, I
favorite.
rock with Fredo, man.
Because he always doing something good for somebody. Like always.
And then like he taking care of his team, bro. Like
all the time, bro. Wow. That's my car. I want the white seats.
Just bend over, sir. We're kind of searching before we put you in the next vehicle.
Give me that booty. Scary. What the fuck you doing? Scary ass. What you doing? Why you with the cops? What? Here. What? It's a brand new car. You lying. Oh shit. You lying. Well, you lying. That's what it's happening, bro. Yeah, man. What even is this, bro?
He don't know what car it is. He don't even know what kind of car it is.
He don't.
It's a Tesla, fool. Give it to me. You don't know what kind of car it is. You don't appreciate it.
I didn't know what a Tesla was when people was talking about it until I actually just seen it. You know what I'm saying?
I've been talking about a Tesla for a minute.
Yeah.
I want a Tesla.
Yeah.
I want this. I don't want silver though. I want a white one.
Right.
Wait, so I ain't arrested? Nah, man, you're not arrested. That's my security, top-notch security right here. None of that.
The world, Craig.
You got mad, dude. You lying? That's legit. You lying?
Look at it.
You lying, man? You lying, man? Nah, man, that's it. That's me. That's you.
Yeah.
He comes on me, but that shit was
He was crying like a
That boy was spazzing.
I didn't do nothing.
Paranoid, claustrophobic.
Help me.
Hey, look, man, you've been working hard for SSH and going crazy, you know what I'm saying? Feel like it's time, you know, give you a little present for all your hard work you done put into SSH. Welcome to brand new car, man.
Flex on my ex in my model S.
Hey, that's what's up, dog. Hey, that's a big flex, real talk.
Yeah. Y'all, I'm excited like it's my car, but yes, I love this car. It's so beautiful.
I got the butterfly, boy. I gotta go up on that, boy. I got the butterfly, boy. You tell me shit, boy. I got a new fucking car, nigga. I got a brand new fucking car. I got a brand new fucking car, bitch. Man, I get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna get my new car, nigga. Big body shit. No fucking way. How the fuck you gonna leave those, man? Press the button.
Bro, you can watch Netflix and everything in there.
Damn.
On that screen right there.
That's what's up.
And it drives you. You ain't have to drive it. You don't have to drive it. You know what's you seen that one where like that video where like it kind of like saw like a ghost in front of it and it won't even run over a ghost.
Wow.
That's that's a lit car.
Press that right there. No. Press that right there. No. Digital. Oh my god. Digital. Oh my god. Digital.
Okay.
You deserve it, man. For real. All the hard work you done put in, everything you done did for SSH, man, that shit don't go fucking unnoticed, man. You my brother, dog. And I know most times you feel like you are outsider, but I want to make you feel like you one of us, bro. You one of us. You a real member. You a real brother, bro. You deserve this shit, man. You worked hard for this, Mikey. It's a brand new Tesla, my nigga. Get the fuck out and turn up, bro. What the fuck, man? What out and turn on, bro? Shit, nigga.
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit. He turned up. He hit that boy.
Did.
Man,
He tried. He tried to hit it.
Real
That
nigga
was
shit.
good enough. I'll take it. This was a lit video, y'all. Fredo always drop lit videos. What's new?
Yeah.
What's new? I'm loving the consistency too. He back at it. Strong, hard. He going hard this year. Period.
My business though.
But we enjoyed it. Comment below what you thought about it. Comment below what your dream car is. I want to know what kind of car you trying to wheel.
Yeah, real talk. Know what I'm saying? Manifest.
Period.
Manifest.
You can have it. It's yours. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
That's very important.
Tap that notification bell. Send everybody our way.
Tell them we the next up because we the best
stuff.
stuff.
And that's on END Gang.
And them big facts.
All right. Until next time.
Peace.
Love don't cost a thing. You just what I need. Can I be the air you breathe? You everything and in between. Let's take a ride through the night. Pop champagne if you like. Find this thing that I seen in sight. And I ain't going out without a fight, no.